Put your hat on. Put your hat on. What do you say? Do it again. What do you say? What does a witch say? That's a cowboy. You're not a cowboy. You're a witch. What does a witch sound like? That was awesome. What you doing? Thank you. Give mommy a kiss, huh? Whoop, I got you. I'm gonna take off mom's shirt too, huh?